let's go. So driving. Usually it takes me to the right, which is a one-way. So I'm supposed to be headed left. So let's see what this new update will do. And that was good. It's taking me correctly out of my driveway after this update. Back to hurry. I'm on a 7.1 mile streak for FSD. I'm gonna slow it down. I put it in chill mode, to be honest. Too. Don't hit that cop. So the FSD swerves a little to the left. Is this also a cop? Nope. He stopped to take a photo as well. I put it back to standard. It's nice to get the sunrise like this because yesterday was very foggy. taking this turn at 36 miles per hour. Don't put me back. There you go, straight. Take me out of this road, please. Take me out of the road, please. What are you doing? Oh, I'm making a turn here? Alright then. I did not know I'm going this route. We have a couple of stop signs on this street, so it shouldn't be much of a problem since it's so early. So there's a bus incoming. Hopefully it slows me down a little bit. So there's a bus, and then like that. Then when I go over there like that. Hopefully enough room. He's gonna honk soon. Decision making is on point today. I'll use this time to buy some coffee or something. Right after this RAV4 is out of my way. Oh my god. And this Uber. And the Uber. Okay, so am I gonna go in? Are you taking me in? Okay, let's try it. Let's try it. Oh, we are not going to exit. So intervene Navigation wise, that was, I mean, that was the first time they attempted for me to go to parking, so the parking garage, so that's a plus. Usually it sends me to the outside and parks right there and stops for me. So we're good. I'm very impressed so far with this update. Let me just sign in or scan myself in first. I'm not gonna scrape the wheels. And then all right. I'm in a little bit of a hurry right now, so what I'm going to do is just skip all the FSD trying to find me a parking spot on the upper level, go all the way to the bottom level. Okay, take away this, scanning for parking spots. I hope you don't scrape the car. Okay. Yeah, it usually does fine here. It takes its time. So. There you go. And then go here, go left, go left, go left. All right, so scan me all these parking spots. It's gonna pick one, but I will manually take over right now because I know what parking spot I want, which is all the way near the door. So right now, self-driving, finding me all these parking spots. I have a little bit of time, so I'll let it do its thing. It's making a turn, like so, around all these pillars. So gotta be careful around all these pillars, I guess. So here's the situation. Just trying to find me a spot. Making sure I don't hit this Tacoma, maybe? I don't know. All right, let's try to find me a spot here. So I would say no thank you, parking. Try to find myself a good spot. Right there. I'll try to find myself that spot right there. Try to find it right there. You got it, dude. Auto park ready. Okay, so we got a pillar behind us. Right there. Now we're all good.
Security enabled.